Hey, future billionaires, I want you to be very careful on Upwork because they have scammers on there running an elaborate scam. In today's video, I'm going to expose one of the scams for which the scammers are running on Upwork. And I need you to listen to this video until the very end. As we all know, Upwork has two sides. They have a client side and a talent side. The client side is where a business or individual posts a job opportunity for people to perform services for them. That's the side our business uses from time to time to outsource a lot of our services because it's cheaper for the talent profile on Upwork to perform those services. Now they have the talent side. The talent side is where individuals seek opportunities to perform work and they get paid for it from businesses like mine. However, recently, our business pretty much recently identified a scam on Upwork where there's a scam business on Upwork posting opportunities that seem legitimate, where they're running an elaborate check cashing scam where they're sending the talent profile checks and they're wanting that individual to cash the checks and send them money. We recently was tipped off about this and we identified this scam. And so what we're doing is making you aware of this scams and totally avoid any business that offers to send you a check and ask you to cash that check. Guys, I need you to be totally wary of that and be very careful. I need you to stick within the confines of Upwork, conduct business within the confines of Upwork. And what that simply means, any conversations that's going to go on needs to happen in the Upwork platform, and any payments that needs to occur should occur within the Upwork platform. Any discussions outside of Upwork, any payments outside of Upwork, you need to be very cautious of, guys. I need you to be very cautious of this. And the reason why these scammers are able to do this is because Upwork currently has a system in place where they may identify your identity. They're not saying that they will identify your identity. They're not even saying they shall identify your identity. They're saying that they may identify your identity. So this allows the scammers to get away with stuff like this. The only thing that Upwork has in place to really verify anything is they verify the source of the payment. So what that simply means is that, you have some source of credit card that you're going to pretty much pay for services with as a business, and that's what they're verifying. And however, guys, that's not even good enough. And the reason why it's not good enough is because any scammer can take any credit card and put it on Upwork, and that is service payment verified. And see, unfortunately, this business that we identified as a scam is payment verified, and they're actually out there pretty much sending people checks and pretty much hoping those individuals will cash those checks so that they can pretty much have money sent back to them. Now, I can't go into details about all the details of the elaborate scam for which they're running because we want them to get caught. These individuals are currently in the process of being investigated, and we need them to get caught. But what we also need Upwork to do is pretty much upgrade their policies and start verifying, especially the businesses that are pretty much posting job opportunities on their website. Upwork, I'm telling you now, you need to verify any business that posts job opportunities on that website because these could be potentially scammers that are coming on your website. So future billionaires, everyone that you know that is on Upwork and utilizing the services, as a talent profile where they're searching for job or contract opportunities, take this video and share it with them so that they're aware of all these scams that are going on in Upwork. They need to be very cautious. So if you enjoyed today's video, like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you in all of our upcoming future video releases.